electrical panel. Inside is the CPU, I/O controls, relays, all your electrical connections, and then also the frequency converters and drives for the pumping system. So these drive the tube pumps for the resin and the hardener. And then also this does connect up to the calibration roller and conveyor belt and controls those units. Underneath the front end here you have the hardener pump, which is the smaller pump of the two. And on the back side, the resin pump, which is obviously larger. We have your return and intake lines. So these two are, that's hardener intake, resin intake. Resin return, hardener return. Those are connected by hoses to the supply totes. The gray unit is a water chilling unit and also can heat the water. And it is connected to a heat exchange manifold, which the material flows through during recirculation, so you can adjust temperature. Have the vacuum pump here. Pretty simple operations, rotary vane vacuum pump. And then the actual material flow and control. So you have the pumping coming out of the hardener. You have a temperature sensor, a pressure sensor, a line filter, non-return valve. And then material flows to a flow meter, which gives indication back to the CPU for flow rates. And then while this handle is in the down position, it's in recirculation mode. So it actually travels out the backside through the heat exchanger back to the totes. Same process for the resin side. So this will be your resin flow meter, and then return to the tote. When we switch this handle to the up position, it changes flow to these two outlets, which then comes to the mixing valve, or mixing head. The head connects in this manner inside this cam lock. Hose connects the hardener line to the input here. So you can see the hardener flows through the center, resin around the outside, then flows into the mixing tube. Inside the mixing tube are static mixer elements, 6 pieces inserted just like that, and provides turbulent flow, mixes the two components together. At the outlet then, you would come and connect that to a disposable hose that you would use as a stinger to go into the liner to transfer the resin into the liner itself. And then of course your touch screen for controls.